In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create this effect using AI. So to do that, we're going to use the platform NovoAds AI. The link is going to be in the comments section. And once you arrive here, you need to create an account. You can try this platform and create AI videos for just $1. So once you have created the account, you will arrive here, and here we need to click where it says video. Now we have to click in settings, and here in model, we need to click here, and we need to choose the model OmniFlash. In length, I'm going to use 10 seconds, but you could use the length you want. In my case, my video is 10 seconds long, the original video, so I'm going to use 10 seconds as well. Now in the aspect ratio, if you want, you can use another aspect ratio. In my case, I want to create a vertical video, so I'm going to use 9:16. And now we have to click here. Now here, we have to upload our video. In my case, it's this one, that actually is an AI video, but you could upload any type of video. So let's see a little bit the video.
This protein completely changed my routine.
And there we have it. So let's click here. And now here, where it says describe your video, we're going to use the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section. So you can just copy and paste here this prompt. You can modify it if you want, or do whatever you want. So well, now we have to click here, and now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 3 to 4 minutes. Perfect. Here, as you can see, we have the result. So now let's see it.
This protein completely changed my routine. Amazing taste, real results, and you notice it super fast. Link in my profile, go grab it.
And there we have it. The quality of the video is amazing. I really like it, this fire effect. So if you want to do a video like this one, remember that the prompt will be in the comment section, and remember as well that you can try this platform for just $1. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.